YouTube channel, buddy?
It should just be Saber Multimedia. Live stream test. Yep, that's up.
On YouTube?
Yeah, let me see. Give me one sec.
Yeah, it doesn't show you're live yet.
Yeah, Ryan Saber Multimedia.
You got 38,000 subscribers, dude.
I don't think I do.
What do you mean? I'm looking at it. You don't think you do?
I have 50 subscribers.
Why does it show 38.8?
I don't know.
Oh, I'm looking at. Oh, maybe this is. Oh, it did it with the AR, not an ER. Oh, it ranked it. Fuck. There we go.
No, I have 50.
There you go. There you are. You got 50. Okay.
And I don't like that thumbnail. That thumbnail's horrible.
All right.
Where's it at? Ryan Saber Media?
Here, you want me to send it to you, Chris?
Yes, please.
There you go, buddy.
I'm gonna have to kill the ticket generation, John.
Why?
Because we're gonna be able to test, but it's just gonna keep on going.
All right.
Okay, so that should change that. Alright, so now the only thing it should see is Google Chrome.
All right. So now we gotta get rid of all of the background shit.
Yeah, I just need to, if you can share your screen again.
Oh yeah, my bad, dude. Go ahead. Oh, is it not sharing?
No.
Oh, fuck me. Oh, and the audio's going out. That's nice.
What's up?
Fucker on. Turn that down so we're not blasting it. It still looks like I'm blasting it.
I'm ready for a nap.
Same. Do you watch the game last night?
No,
It was not very good.
I went to the gym at 5 this morning.
It was not very good. Okay, so that's on there. Now we're hearing the reverb of me talking, but we are getting the microphone feed of me talking. Now I'm going to walk in front. Hi, friends. I'm Phil Nance, Chris Sims. Okay. Yeah.
Look at that.
I'm done with that. So that is working. We are clearly getting the feed out of there, but it looks shitty, as Chris was talking about, because we're taking a feed directly out of the MacBook Air, and it doesn't have the emulator pass through. So in theory, once we get the emulator pass through, this should look crystal clear. If not, one way or another, we're not going through this crazy ass path once we get the emulator pass through. So yeah, that's that. This is the program feed out from OBS. What I can also do, just to show you that it's a clean feed out when we just go through there. Yeah, a lot of tests, but it works. We got it to work, and you guys are probably hearing me through the Zoom meeting, which is super crazy annoying because you're also probably hearing me through the YouTube feed. I am just talking to myself right now. Now I'm going to switch back to, dude, this is how I did test the Sharon TV for 5 years. Now I'm switching back to the live stream feed and going to throw the picture-in-picture on and adjust that so it doesn't look so shitty. I mean, it's still going to look shitty on the screen, but again, functional.
Yeah, it's blurry though. Like live drawing, I can't even see it, the date on the.
Okay, so it might be. Okay, stand by. Alrighty. So it looks fine on my computer. It looks fine on the YouTube on. Are you talking about? Okay.
I'm looking at it on my phone.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me adjust. All right, let me kill it and adjust the bit rate. The other problem could be the output.
Output from the laptop.
Yeah. What did that do?
My phone's already dying.
Why is there no just standard 1920 by 1080?
I think it uses a actual computer.
Yeah. Can you see what I'm doing?
Yeah, on Zoom.
Yeah, okay, that's definitely not it. Okay.
Chris,
Yeah, no, that's not on.
by the end of this call, will I know if I need to order more paper or not?
Will you know if you need to order more paper? Oh, with the system.
Yeah.
I think you won't. I don't know what Johnny thinks.
That's for the display. How do I get the fucking... No, not that. Definitely. Okay. So that's coming out at what I wanted it to. Okay. So that's working the way I want it to. Did not realize you guys could only see the Patriots logo in my eyes. That's kind of creepy.
Wait. Can you? So now it's still. Yeah, no, it's still pretty slow.
No, I figured that. Okay. So now that should be working, streaming out. different picture. That's not what I should be seeing. I should be seeing this. There we go. Okay. That's better. Let me check.
Recycle away. The clean is through the recycle away.
Oh,
Hang on, guys.
everything that was in there? That's crazy.
Brazilian.
I mean, it looks okay. It doesn't look. It doesn't look uber sharp. Let me see what else I can do to sharpen it. But the frame, the bit rate of the stream look on my phone kind of looks like what I would expect. Does this look terrible to you?
It don't look bad on Ryan's phone, no.
Yeah, on YouTube it looks okay where I am.
I'm gonna exit out and come back in and see what happens.
Yeah, it's at 240 right now.
It's at 240?
Yeah.
Jesus Christ. Okay.
Yeah, it's because it's the setting he has it.
You probably have your phone settings.
No,
like
it's-
mine, Johnny.
No, it's dropping frames because I'm using the air.
I'm just fucking with them. They were fucking with me because the app was getting cut off and I had it zoomed in.
Okay.
Actually, no, Johnny, go to the right-hand side in the settings, in the little settings thing. On the right-hand side, if you click the screen, on the right-hand side, you'll see a little gear. Click the gear and click quality. Higher picture quality.
What? You're gonna have to tell people to do this? What higher picture quality? It doesn't give me that. It says auto.
No, now it looks bad on my end.
But if you do higher picture quality, it'll auto adjust there. You just see something.
Yeah, I'm getting
Good
240.
luck telling fucking 50-year-old, 60-year-old people to do that.
He might have a point. Now it looks good. Yeah, I'm getting it at 720 now. You're right, Chris, but he's got a point. Old people aren't gonna know how to do that.
Yeah, it's still slow because I clicked on the 224 Ford F450 a while back, and now I unclicked it, and it's still on top of it.
You're controlling my screen, right?
Yeah.
Okay, well, I'm not seeing anything happen on my screen. That's why.
Oh, really?
I mean, I saw you. I mean, the 240 F4, 2024 F450 is highlighted, but I don't know if you like double clicked and something was supposed to happen.
Look, now I'm on top of it and see how the Rolex got bigger.
Yep.
Now look at the YouTube.
Yeah, no, I know there was a delay. I know there's a delay.
Okay, good.
There's not a whole lot we can do about that to go direct out without any kind of keyframe delay.
It's gonna be like Netflix. The first boxing they ever did was shitty.
No,
Now it's good.
Jake Paul or whatever. Logan Paul fight. Mike Tyson.
I mean, for all intents and
You couldn't even watch it.
hang on, guys. For all intents and purposes, I don't know why I talk like this. I'm sorry. Fucking when we do the regular streams, there's a delay. Now I don't know if it's this bad. I don't know if the delay is this bad because I'm going directly from OBS to YouTube versus going from OBS to Restream to YouTube. I genuinely don't think that it would make a difference. But the only other thing I could think of would be internet quality because we've dropped 2% of frames, but that's not a whole lot. That's I basically do that every time I stream off the MacBook Pro anyway. That we gotta have somebody look at the internet. But yeah. So I'm getting it pretty clean on this end.
That's shitty on my end, but let's keep going. So click the Ford F450. Let's go to the next. Let's go to the next stage, and then let's see if you can pull can you get that when? Chris, are the tickets gonna be on the screen yet or no?
Yeah, it'll populate the screen. We're at 4 million. We're at 14 million right now.
It's not
Saber?
He serves like the Greek
Can you
chicken.
put it up on the
I
screen?
think is that the one that you got yesterday, or is
Yeah,
it
okay.
I know
He
what
was,
you're gonna say. Just
like he said
we'll
there's
stop when
10 or
we're
12 of
about
those.
You don't wanna give up his food.
I know. I was like, you owe him $900.
There's a
Alright,
chance this is
no,
gonna populate all the tickets that we need.
Open.
And he sent a nice email.
Do you wanna watch this?
Sorry, it didn't work out as you guys
Let it
expected.
do its thing. I want to see
Want me to
this
come over?
on the screen, on the 4 screen. And
It's up to
then
you.
hit the switcher and
Yeah.
see what happens.
Okay.
But in the meantime, the tickets can still populate.
I heard the Korean tacos were the ones.
So,
Yeah, I heard that too.
Should give it a second for them to pop up.
But can you get rid of the?
Yeah, can we get rid of the thing on the top?
Yeah, of course, no problem. Don't touch your screen, please.
I'm not touching shit.
There you go. That's good.
It's still there.
Yeah.
I
It's
had
got
to send
delay.
Mark to Watertown to get the,
Oh, the TV.
But
yeah, they wouldn't,
Chris isn't.
That's a
always
new one
gonna
there,
get
right
that.
there,
they wouldn't take out the back.
How is this gonna
They wouldn't
work?
take the old one back.
Oh, really?
So what you guys do, Ryan? It's Control Command F. Okay.
All right, I'm gonna do it. Hang on. Don't touch anything.
Did you try
You're
to
gonna
turn
go back
the same
to the
voice,
registry.
or did you?
Yep, got it.
No,
All right,
try
perfect.
going to Dedham.
And they could just
Control
tell-
Command F. Now you have to wait a sec. For
Yeah.
It
I wouldn't
to,
do it.
For it to remove the bar.
Yep.
So now, give me one second.
Bro, I can't see shit. I can't even see start drawing, dude. It's so blurry. This is not gonna be a good customer experience. Let me show you guys what I'm looking at on my phone.
I can't really see it because my screen's being taken up, but I'll take your word for it.
I'm gonna send it to me and Ryan's group chat, and Chris's group chat. I have Ryan show you on his phone what I'm seeing.
Yep.
Chris, are you on your phone?
Yeah.
What's it look like?
Because that doesn't
Yeah,
look
you
ideal,
can't
but
really
it's
see-
not
you can't
terrible.
really see it.
Fucking terrible. It's beyond terrible.
Yeah, that's not good. Yeah, okay.
Yeah, I don't know why it's not, because it's still showing the bar here at the top. The other day we were able to do it. Give me a second.
Yeah. I can see the names, which is good, but I mean, wow.
We need to have the internet optimized for streaming.
Ryan S., can you get this on the big screens?
I had it, yeah.
Where is it?
Well, we have to,
Hang on.
Where is it?
what will we have to do? Buy a router? Another router? Or can I just call Comcast?
I think potentially call Comcast.
You're up to speed?
That's not. Yeah, we got up the speed. That's what I'm worried about.
Who's fucking Starlink?
What's that?
Like a really.
You don't agree? We're all frozen.
I try to go to City Hall, Jake, and
Yeah, it's a computer. We definitely gotta have a move.
It's
City
a
Hall,
computer that's doing this?
change our,
Nice.
see if I can get our business business license
Is it
for
business license?
all the occupancy.
Look,
permits.
you haven't had any
Oh, I
issues.
got you.
You have your computer for a
For the
while.
other place.
Long, dude. I
Yeah, Raj.
bought this computer in 2019.
Where is the fucking.
I had like
Yeah.
I had like one little battery issue for like a week. And it just
Yeah, I was there. Man, it looked pretty good. It's just you really can't select it running or anything like that. Unless it sucks.
and it's still I still see the search bar and shit.
Is it because yeah. And the problem is isn't Ryan gonna be controlling the screen and typing at the same time?
So,
No, he just has to type.
He just has to type. Okay.
me or, yeah, I'll probably have someone do it, right? Sylvia will do it.
Somebody has to type. It doesn't have to be Ryan. Somebody has to type.
Do you have the other
Jake
thing
and
ready to
Sil.
go for Ryan to see the customer's phone number? After Ryan?
Yes, sir.
How did I? What's happening?
I'm black.
Yeah, I am too. I'm not sure what happened.
What happened?
I'm not sure.
Going downhill, guys.
Nope. No, we're definitely not going downhill. We're fine. Trust me, dude. In terms of broadcasting, I have dealt with like real crises. This is fine. Until we have a couple tens of thousands of people watching on DAZN and the screen just doesn't work and there's nothing we can do about it, we're straight out of luck, we're good. So yeah, that's up there. It looks like crap, but it is up. But once again, that's not the laptop feed. That when we do it, it's gonna.
Emulator, you said?
Yeah, when we do it, it's gonna go from here to the emulator into the board, and from the emulator into the board, and from the emulator into the screen. Right now, what it's doing is going from here to the board to this laptop,
Yep.
out into OBS, the program, then program out into the screen, which is why it looks like shit. And as I said, it's a Robert Downey Jr. dude playing a dude impersonating another dude. Also, I don't like that there's this big green thing right there.
Yeah, what is that?
That, I think, is from Zoom.
Yeah, can you click stop sharing? Maybe?
Yeah, but you won't have fudge. That's not it. That should work.
Oh shit. Yeah, I don't know.
We could try cropping it.
Try that. Switch the broadcast to the TV screen here.
To just the main camera?
Yeah.
Okay, and remember, it's gonna duplicate itself. Like that. No, I know, it's gonna take a second.
Oh, this is.
There we go. Oh, kill the PIP.
Oh, then it goes back to that.
Yeah, because as I said, we're not taking the out. As I was explaining to Ryan, we're not taking the out directly from the computer right now. That's what the device that's coming in the mail tomorrow is going to do. That I didn't realize we needed until I got here this morning.
Okay. Alright. That's fine.
But when we do it, as I said to Ryan, right now what's happening is we're going from my MacBook Pro, which has the visual of it, into the switcher, into my MacBook Air, into OBS, which is said to stream out, and then into a dongle, which is going to the screen, which is why we're seeing what's on the switcher. So right now, because the switcher is on camera 1, that's what we're seeing on the program out, and the program out is what's on this thing. Tomorrow, or whenever we do the next test, when the emulator comes in, it's going to go Ryan's laptop, which right now is the MacBook Pro into the emulator, then the emulator is going to send it into the TV screen, the video board, and the switcher, so that I'll have control The only thing that's gonna be on the TV screen is the website with what we want, and then I'll have control over the program out, obviously, by the laptop.
See that go. Switch it back to the program.
Switched.
Hey Ryan, did you open that on your phone, please?
Me?
Yes, you, Ryan, Mark.
I didn't hear that pop.
Can you open that on your phone?
The
I-
link I sent you, please.
I don't know what that is. There you go.
Yeah, my bad.
Alright, there's about a 25-second delay from when I switch in OBS to when it changes on YouTube.
Can you get rid of the top bar or no?
I don't know, it's not letting me do it on this computer. It's saying, no, not good.
I had it. Nope, we'll find it.
It's because I can't.
Nope, you don't have control. Nope, I fucked it up. Fucking hate this thing sometimes. There it is. Alright, we're good.
Let me go. My phone's charging, so.
Do you need screen control to share? You need screen control again? Got you.
Whoa, Johnny, do you want to just? This is gonna show that green.
Now it's gonna kick off. Can you ask for screen control? So I can get that done now?
Yes, sir. Just requested it.
Thanks. Alright, now I just need to change the output back to...
Why is it not full screen on my phone?
Mark really needs something to write shit down. Right? Like, he's so forgetful. I'm blaming it on the weed.
He needs one of those
He needs like a little.
those voice memo recorders.
Yeah.
Listen to it, then it goes off 30 minutes later and tells you what you need.
There it is.
Yesterday, I told him to take those
Alright,
tools out
should
of
be
there.
fine.
Like Friday, 6 times.
It's not there?
Yeah,
Fuck me.
You have to wait until it goes down. Literally, it takes a while.
There it is.
What else did he forget? He forgot something else. He says, like, dude.
No, but now why? Alright, we got it.
Alright, Ryan, do you have that link open on your phone? Ryan Ark?
He left.
Yeah.
Oh,
Do you have that link?
Back in my phone, Chris. What's up?
He's opening it right now.
well, I have it.
Alright.
He's opening it right now. Here, he can hear you.
You drawing?
Show me?
audio's live, but we're only live on my
unless,
channel.
Chris, that we get to 100, we get the, you know,
We even need that first one? Why don't we just get rid of it?
Yeah, maybe.
Oh,
It's
no,
gonna be
no,
started
no.
at 10 million, Johnny.
Oh,
So-
that's if we go to 20 million.
So
So
if we're
you
starting
put-
with one,
maybe
we're
if
good.
Maybe a condition would be if it goes to 20 million, then that starts blank, but if not, it starts with one.
Okay.
Easy for Ryan, just put a one in there. So, someone
Yeah.
put a one, then
I
Ryan,
already put a one.
Alright,
the first, Chris, can you pull up the rules real quick? Or
Yeah, of
read
course.
through text so I can read them to Ryan?
Yeah.
Ryan, the first balls you're putting in are 0 through 4.
okay. Right now.
Right now.
0 through 4. That's every time. What else?
It still says searching.
Nah, it's because you're on YouTube.
So every drawing will always be 0 through 4, the first pull?
No,
No.
no,
Alright.
no. Chris, pull
It's
up the
just for
rules.
this one.
Yeah, I'm saying too.
Why? So there's 14 million in this one?
14 million so far, but there really is 6.4 million. So it could be like if we did all the, Chris forgot to do the membership ones.
Yeah.
So it would be 6.4 million. It would be 164 and some change, right? Which means
Yeah.
the second number would be a 6, so it could be 0 through 6.
Yeah.
Alright, so look, these are the rules. I'm gonna read them out loud. You're gonna read these every time. And we want these on the screen as well as a B-roll. Just have it somewhere so when you're explaining the rules, that pops up as a B-roll where people can read along. Alright?
Can I stop you there, Johnny? Really quick?
Sure.
Alright, I'm gonna send it to you with the simple.
So Ryan can just put these rules up on the screen and I can
Yeah, it would
read
just be a
them- read
basic
them from
overlay.
there.
That's exactly right.
Basic
And
overlay.
those-
Alright. I sent you the updated ones, ignore that one that I just sent. There you go.
Alright, Ryan. So this is what you're gonna say. You're gonna start it off with, alright guys, we got a new system. We're just gonna go over the rules real quick, just to kind of update you and inform you. Rule number 1, the last ticket number is the maximum number. You will always see the last ticket number. No ticket can ever be higher that number. So I'll give an example. If the last ticket is 700, there will never be a ticket that's drawn or pulled that's 701. Alright? Rule number 2, why tickets are random. Tickets are given out randomly so everyone has a fair chance. For an example, if you have 10 tickets, you will get 10 different ticket numbers randomly assigned. This keeps the game fair and spreads the ticket numbers evenly across all players. We'll give an example. If the tickets overall range from 100 to 700, you might receive tickets like 105, 212, 447, etc. Instead of getting all the tickets in a row, like 101 through 110, this makes sure no one has an advantage just because of the ticket order. Rule number 3, limited ticket numbers in the first poll. The first digits may not use all balls if they would go over the last ticket number. So for an example, if the tickets go from 100 to 700, the first poll can only be a 1 through 7. There will never be an 8 or a 9 because 800 plus tickets don't exist. Number 4, no numbers past the last ticket. If the first number polls already match the last ticket, the next polls are limited. So for an example, if the last ticket is 788, the first poll is a 7, the second poll is an 8, the third poll can only be a 0 through 8, not a 9, because 789 does not exist. How winners are picked? It's a lottery-based raffle. Winning ticket numbers come from balls that are randomly pulled from our lottery ball machine. The drawn numbers can only match real ticket numbers. Nothing higher than the last ticket will ever be picked.
extra fairness.
You can put in
for
there
no
too.
ticket-
These are certified weighted balls. Like these are. Like
Okay.
When they send these out to us, they have to certify them. They come in a case.
Okay. We can add that in.
They're all
Chris,
like
what-
they all weigh the same, so there's no.
Right. And then we can just say, look, we decided to do this way because we wanted to make sure that no tickets are ruled out and get stuck on the bottom, the middle, the sides of the barrel like previously. There's no random third party deciding winners. This process is 100% transparent. The winner comes directly from the ball machine. Simple rule to remember, the balls can only create ticket numbers that are real tickets. Nothing higher than the last ticket number will ever be drawn.
Would you use greater there than higher?
Yeah, we can use nothing greater than, that's fine.
I think it's worded a little better than.
Okay.
I'm just thinking rules
Greater
wise,
than
right?
instead of higher, Chris.
Right?
You want
Yeah,
a
no ticket
teleprompter
can
for
ever be
this?
greater than that number.
Yeah.
That might not be a bad idea.
What?
Maybe just like a teleprompter or something.
Yeah,
Like, just read you your lines.
yeah. Well, we're gonna have to have them on the screen too behind.
Yeah. But just
Well,
so you don't have to be like.
it'd be
at least for
it
the
would
first
be
couple times.
nicer looking
If you're just staring straight at the screen.
to
saying,
be reading directly into the screen
Okay.
than you reading off the board behind you.
Yeah. Well, we can have them print the rules. If he sends me a digital, we can put them up here on the wall.
I have a
Yeah, but it should
teleprompter.
be a B-roll. So Ryan, when you're explaining this, you can easily read off of something, and then people are looking at the rules.
Okay,
only
that
the
works
rules.
too.
They don't see you. You know what
Okay.
I mean?
All
Okay.
right. Oh, all right.
Yeah.
That's
that
what I'm
works.
saying.
That
So that way
works.
you can read them off. You don't have to worry about like staring into the camera,
Yeah,
doing
so that-
it
yeah,
or
yeah.
what. You know?
Okay.
This will be a B-roll, and I'll be explaining. All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Once you're done explaining, then boom, we go into the wrap.
Next one.
You think this is gonna be
Alright.
shorter or lesser
Oh,
amount of time
God.
than
What
my
was that?
drawings now?
Oh, I know what the issue is.
I guarantee it'll be shorter. You can drag it out as long as you want, though.
No, I don't want to drag it on. All right. Here we go. 0 through 4.
0 through 4.
You
All
ready?
Now, Ryan S., this is on you, buddy. Switching back and forth. So now,
Yep, hang on.
when Ryan's drawing the balls, you got to go to Ryan.
Yep, hang on.
And then Ryan, you got to understand that there's a fucking massive delay going on. So,
Well, I'm gonna have to need time to put the balls back in anyway.
yeah. So you got
Alright.
0 through 4 in there.
Yep.
And I would show Ryan. I would show the audience like, yo, here's 1, 2, 3, 4 in there. You know what I mean?
How do we show them?
I would just have Ryan showing the balls going in one by one. All right, here's one going in. Here's two going in. Here's
Yeah,
three.
I would do that on the second camera.
I got nothing on my fucking phone.
All right. All right. We ready, Chris? You ready, right?
Can you guys hear him on YouTube?
I'm not listening to YouTube, I'm listening to Zoom.
I wanna be too concerned about that right now.
All right. But you guys can hear me.
Yeah. We can hear you. I just can't see you.
All right.
Now we can see.
Oh, now we can see you. All right, Ryan S. You gotta adjust that camera, buddy, so we can see the whole machine.
Jake.
Yeah.
Get a little.
I would even Ryan S. Do you have an extra camera that can
Yeah.
get a very, very, very close shot of the ball when it pops up at the top, like the lottery does?
Yeah, that works. I
So
could have
like
the second
that,
camera
and
grab
then
that.
Another camera set up super, super close to that top little square when the ball pops up.
What about
and then
having
Ryan,
him do
don't
it
pull
with the
that
balls
ball out
going
so
into?
quick. So when the balls are popping, you can see the whole thing. When it pops up, allow Ryan S time to get a close up of the ball.
Then we have two
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So,
So the
it would
second
have to be
camera
the
could be
second
doing
camera.
this.
It would have to be the second camera
That main
operator.
camera will be doing there, and then the second camera.
So that main camera can't move.
No, I know.
So
But the second camera.
so
you
the
could-
second camera, it would
swap back
literally
and
have
forth.
to be Adam standing here or Scott standing here with this. Yes.
I don't even care if the other camera's in frame.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna hold this here. Yep.
0's in, 1 going in next. 2. 3,
Wait,
4. Alright, they're going in the machine. Here we go. First number. Number 4. Alright. 4. Chris.
yeah, I'm trying here. There you go.
Alright. 4 is in.
Alright, 4 is in. Then Ryan, Ryan S, you gotta go back to the screen so we can see how many people were eliminated, even though we can't see it.
Alright, so Chris.
So when he says 4, I'm going back to the screen.
So it's tough with this huge delay and it being blurry. So when the ball shows 4 and the people actually see a 4, then you should go back to the screen
Correct.
and wait. I mean, see, this brutal, man. Because now I'm going back to a screen and I'm already seeing a 4 there, and I saw no movement. I didn't see any amount of people change. Nothing. I didn't see anything. I just come back to a screen. I see FRD 14.
So okay, let's try this. So go back, turn the machine back on.
Yeah.
So we're here.
Yeah.
So we're So okay, starting from the beginning, I'm gonna actually be switching and not pretending to be a camera operator. So start from the beginning. Once we turn the balls on. So Ryan's putting the balls in. We're on. That's the wrong button. Ryan's putting the balls in. We're on camera 1. And then he goes. Turn it on.
Yep.
So turns it on.
Alright.
Number 4 comes up. He's got it. I go to this. Turn on picture in picture. And then picture in picture is actually going to function properly where it's up in the corner and we can see him holding up the 4. The 4 goes on the screen and then it changes.
I wouldn't hit the 4 until the screen's hot, and then you type in 4.
Alright, so we'll work with, yeah. Chris is doing the finale, but I got you.
All right, so let's do it for the next number. So,
Alright,
Alright, so back to 1.
so Sylvia or Jake will be typing it in, so
We'll
you'll
be typing the 4.
you'll be sitting next to them, so you'll
Yeah.
be able to tell them, alright. I'm switching, here we go, alright.
all right, Ryan.
Alright, so what ticket numbers are going in next though? I didn't see the last ticket number.
You
What's-
so you got
What's the third digit?
the third digit is a 6.
So 0 through 6.
0 through 6.
Alright. I think I got this part down.
Ryan, just reiterate to the crowd, 0 through 6, because no number can be greater. Wait. What was the second number was a 4, right?
Yeah, 1, 4.
Yes. Right. So no ticket number can
Alright.
be greater than that. So
Next,
Ryan, 0
the
through
next
6
ball is
to
going
the
in at 0 through 6 because no ticket number can, the last digit ticket, the third digit on the last ticket is not greater than 6. So there's no ticket out there with 7 or higher.
Exactly.
7 or greater, whatever. Alright. Alright, so 0 through 6 are in here. Here we go.
All right. Pop it off.
Alright, you guys let me know when to stop. Here we go. Alright. We have a 3.
3. Okay, now Ryan S. So this is a close up. You show the 3. Ryan, don't pull the ball out until the camera captures it. Then pull the ball out. Show another close up of you holding the 3. And then
all right, we're
Ryan
gonna-
S. You switch to the other screen.
Yep.
And then
No
type
one
it
type
in.
in anything until the other screen's live. Then you type in a 3.
Alright,
Then
other
you type in
screen's
3.
live. Here we go. Type in a 3, Christopher. Give me a 3, Chris. Alright. Alright, now what's the next digit?
Hold on, because I'm delayed big time.
Or to have whoever's sitting
So
here.
you can, Ryan, now it's free game, dude. You go
0 through 9.
0 through 9.
The remaining. All the remaining 0 through 9.
How many people are left, Chris? I can't see that.
It was 385.
385 people?
That's what it said 2 seconds ago.
Damn. That's it? That seems very low for the third number.
Yeah, but we also have memberships in here.
I don't know what that means.
Alright. Free reign now, right?
We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more numbers to pick. And there's only 300 people left. Let's see.
At the beginning, it said there was only 8,000.
Let's go, Ryan.
At the beginning it said there was how many?
8,000.
8,000 people?
Yeah.
I thought I saw 2 million. Alright, here we go.
How many people was it in the start?
He said 8,000.
I saw
8,000
8,000
people?
before. I think I got it.
There's not a fucking shot in hell.
There we go. Alright, next number. Let me know when to stop. Stop. Alright. We got a 2. I'm showing the camera. 2. Alright, we got a 2. Alright.
So now we're gonna fade to the
Go
second
screen.
screen. Picture in picture. So you can still see what Ryan's doing. He's still holding up a 2. Chris, you're live.
Type in that 2, buddy. $93 people left with 3 digits left.
So then Ryan will read back FRD 14 blah blah blah, and then go back
Alright,
to this.
Here's the 2 going back in. Switch to me. Camera's going in. Alright. Alright.
How many people are left, Chris? 'Cause I can't see.
93. But I think I know what the issue is.
0 and on this one, 0 through 9 as well.
Yeah.
Hold on. Time out. Chris, there's an issue.
Yeah, I think there's an issue because of the memberships we included.
I can't, you're standing in front of
Right.
Greg, like when I get to
I,
say, actually get to
I need to look at it. I can't give you a definitive answer,
it's like
but I think it's because since people buy like, what's it called, multiple memberships, it's including all the multiple tickets in there. Just have to check why there's 93 people here.
Are we gonna? Oh, keep going, Ryan.
Yep. Alright, so 0, the next ball though, 0 through 9. I don't know the last
Yeah.
ticket number. Alright,
Yeah.
0 through 9. Here we
I
go.
sent the last number through text.
Oh, yeah, my phone's in the other room. Hold on. Alright. We are on score 5. Oh, number 2 again. Number 2.
Alright, 2, take 2. Now we go to the tight cam on Ryan showing 2. Now we go back to 3. 3 is the big screen. Chris, you're live. Ryan, for all intents and purposes, you're still gonna stand there and hold
Yeah.
number 3 so we
Yeah,
can
I'm
see you're
typing in
not.
2.
Yep, type in 2. Alright, 74 people. Alright,
Back to 1. 1's live. Picture off.
2 going back in. Here we go. Next number. Oh, we got a 1.
Ready 2, take 2. Camera 2's
Number
live.
1. There's the
Holding
1.
it tight.
A 1. Here we go. 1.
There we go. Picture in picture to 3. 3's
All right.
live.
Chris, give me the 1.
Give me a 1. There we go.
Oh, all right. The 1 is going back in. Switch back to me.
Back to 1. Picture in picture off.
There we go. 1 going back
Once
in.
again, we're going to macro that so I don't have to do it every time.
Are we buying that?
No, I said a macro.
Oh! The last number is lucky number 7. Here
Alright,
we
ready
go.
2, take 2. Tight shot. 2's live over to 3. 3 is the screen.
Give me a
Picture
7.
in picture on.
7 people left. Lucky number 7 down to 7.
Picture
Oh!
in picture off.
7 going back in. I almost crushed the ball.
Back to 1.
All right, here we go again. Last number. Who will be the winner? Here we go. We got a 0.
Ready 2, take 2. 2's live. Tight shot.
0 is the last
2's
number.
live.
We're
Fade to
about
3.
to find
Picture in
out
picture on.
who won.
Winner.
Frederick Thompson Jr., 19 old. All right. This will be different. It's just showing here because of that.
Fuck me.
See how the winner's showing up? That might be.
I can't see shit.
That's the program, right, Chris?
Close.
Maybe it will just be on each screen.
I haven't
Yeah,
been able to
photo.
see anything this whole time.
Yeah, that's a problem.
Chris, do you see the screen?
Yeah, I can see the screen.
Maybe winner on both screens on this side, and then a picture of the car on both screens on this side.
I don't know if we'll be able to do that. Or just have each screen there have the winner on it. The four screens have the winner.
But Ryan, can you check your phone to see if you can see all the winner stuff now?
Hold on.
You should be able to see the phone number right away.
Did it send you the data?
Yo.
He went to get it. Sorry, nobody communicated that.
Did it update on your phone, right?
Just says waiting for a winner.
No, but alright, so that didn't work. Alright, well, I'll figure that out. Let me just see why it didn't work. Did you have your phone off? Was it off?
It was charging, yeah.
Okay, alright, there you go, that's why. Sign in, stop streaming. Okay, then I know what I need to fix there. Because you said screen, did you just open it again?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why. Alright.
Alright, Ryan, you're gonna have to keep your phone by you. Can the phone?
No, the phone can go off. The phone can go off and all that stuff. I'm already seeing what the issue is.
Well, Ryan, when the winner's picked, obviously we have all the information blurred out here. Chris, you don't have the people where they're from on the winner's page, by the way.
Yeah, I have it on it.
Alright. So you'll be able to tell them where they're from, Ryan.
Yeah.
And then on your phone, you'll have their phone number on that dashboard that's on your phone. So
Okay.
you can just click their phone number and
Is that
text them.
dashboard just for me? Well, I
That's
can't.
for you.
Okay.
So you have the winner's info right then and there.
Yeah.
You'll see where they're from, so you won't have to ask where is this person from, you know,
Yeah.
all that stuff. And then you can just click their phone number and shoot them a text message or call them right there.
Okay. Yeah.
Alright? And then
Chris, what
alright,
happens?
Look, we got a winner, so we know the system works, that's great. We kinda already knew that from our last test, which is wonderful. We gotta get the broadcasting down because there's no way we could do this. With this lag and the blurriness and all that stuff, so.
Well, the blurriness
When
should
that
go away
device
tomorrow.
comes
He said
tomorrow,
with that emulator. Yeah.
No,
Other device, so let's plan on meeting tomorrow and seeing if that's something that works, because we can wait until the internet gets upgraded. I don't know how quick or non-quick that is. I don't know if that's a phone call and they upgrade it and it works, or what, but,
the emulator's not gonna
TV
fix
screens in the
what
background
screen
work
looks
and
like.
it's not
No,
blurry,
but
then
it'll
we can
fix the
do this.
blurriness.
We can do this.
Not the
We won't have
blurriness
to
that
cut
he's
tickets
talking
Friday.
No.
No, he's talking about the blurriness that's on his phone, which is coming from the screen. Oh, I got it with the light.
From
He's
the
talking about the blurriness of his phone, on his phone, which is coming from the screen. That has to do with the internet. What the emulator is gonna.
That comes to the internet though?
I have no idea what else it could be. So that's the bit rate I'm streaming at. I'm streaming at 8 megabytes a second, which is pretty much industry standard for FHD. I can try going higher, but remember that time I crashed Instagram midway through the stream? That's because my bit rate was too high, and I was trying to force it, and I shouldn't have done that. Which is why everything I do at 8
So
megabytes.
what? So if I mean Comcast, I don't know if they're gonna. It's still that box in the closet. I don't know if they can turn up the speed or what.
I don't know if they can turn up the speed.
Do we
or
need a booster or something? Chris, what do you suggest? Anything?
I can call my dad and see what he suggests.
Yeah, I'm not really an internet kind of with this, but I definitely suggest getting a much better internet for this. this because
Yeah, we need
the
high-speed internet.
stream is going to suffer
Yeah, it is a high
quality
speed.
wise.
Yeah. It is a high speed. It is. It's just. It's in like a TV, like a closet up in the front office. You know.
That shouldn't matter.
But it is. Hold on. Wait.
I had the internet at bad on the second floor in a fucking room that you couldn't even see.
Yeah, but it was fiber optic.
Nah, it was not fiber optic.
No?
Nah, they never did it. It wasn't.
Was it? I don't even know if it was blurry. Was it
But,
blurry?
but, I did have the switcher board directly connected to the internet. It wasn't on Wi-Fi. So
Yeah, that's not that. I don't have that. So I could try. I tried going Ethernet. It didn't go through. It didn't work with this box. We need help. Luckily, I know guys. But
I'll call Comcast today, but it's a Comcast business.
But you have the Black Magic switcher board. Why don't you just plug the internet direct? That's what's going to solve this. You need direct internet plugged into the switcher board, into the Black Magic.
it needs to the black magic's not what's cooking the program. What's cooking the program is OBS itself inside my laptop. So I need I need Ethernet to go from my laptop to the wall, which I tried and it didn't work. I've tried that previously. I've run that through. So I gotta call someone who will make that functional, which I'll do as soon as we get off this call.
Alright, so let's see if by tomorrow we can make some progress.
Are you gonna be here?
Yeah, on my end,
No.
everything will be updated.
I won't be here tomorrow, but Mark can be here, and you don't need to pick balls. You can just simulate the balls.
Yeah, I know. I don't know. I should be here tomorrow.
Or Wednesday. I'm not. I'm actually. I got mandatory training Wednesday, Thursday.
I'll be here tomorrow. All right, we'll see what we can. Yeah. Why don't we actually plan on Wednesday? Because I don't know what time the emulator's coming in tomorrow. So let's do Wednesday.
Hey, buddy.
Remember Wednesday, I'm not really on the map here.
Okay.
Alright, so we'll do it when everyone's available.
We'll do it when everyone's available. All right. Thank you guys.
Yeah. So
Thank you.
Ryan, I would order paper, buddy.
I would order paper.
Alright?
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta call you then.
Okay.
We should have it up by the McLaren, right?
Fingers crossed, buddy. Fingers crossed.
All right. Call you and Chris after this. We're gonna need some files.
We're definitely gonna need some files.
Sean O.D.
Yeah, I'm working on it.
All right.
All right. I'm gonna stop sharing the screen.
All right.
All right.
Okay, buddy.
Bye, guys.
Alright, guys. Alright.
What Johnny, can you say here?
Yep.
All right. I'll call you, Dan. I gotta try
Yep.
to shoot off this email. See, I don't know if that's really. I think you're just being too picky on the blurriness. I don't think it's that bad. Maybe his phone too.
There's not. The problem is there's not really much I can do without sending a fucking 4K stream, which we need super crazy internet for. Holy shit! 22 messages.
I'll call Comcast too.